Hello, let's make these beautiful bees today. You know what? These are my little babies. Let's play with me. First, fold the sticks in half and twist them. Fix the tail. Open it into a round shape. Dip it into the copper plate and turn it around. Start with 1/3 and change to brown. The body is like this. Make 4 little feet. To cute little wings. Add eyes and mouth. Then make a little shell. Also made a mini version. What are you waiting for? Try it now.